Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is second question of its exercise 5.3. So the question says that classify each one of the following angles as right, straight, acute, obtuse or reflex. So for part A, this is less than 90. So हो जाएगा ये acute angle. B. So this angle is greater than 90 but less than 180. So ये जाएगा हमारा obtuse. C. So this angle is equal to 90. So हो जाएगा right angle. This angle is greater than 180. So हो जाएगा हमारा reflex angle. E. This is equal to 180. So हो जाएगा straight angle. And part F, these both angles are less than 90. So again, acute angle. Thank you.